Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make flashlight effect in Premiere Pro. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Premiere Pro. Once you open, you simply need to add any clip. Then you need to select this panel and click the right mouse cursor. Click on new item and here you simply need to add adjustment layer. Click on OK. Drag that on to the timeline here. If you want, you can increase the duration as well. Okay, then you simply need to go on to the effects and search here strobe light and add that effect onto the adjustment layer. Once you've done that, you simply need to come into the effects control and you need to change strobe color to black first, and here you can see strobe duration. Simply need to change that to 0.07 and strobe period 0.15. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the effect. So here you can see that you can change duration according to your choice. So this is the process how you can add flashlight effect in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.